744 State versus Kip Brinsley.
That was canceled.
Attorney.
That was canceled, Your Honor. He was an inmate. It was canceled. I reset. I set it for trial.
This side, one right here, the other one over there, and another one over there.
Somebody talking inside a barrel or something? I don't hear you.
Judge, can you hear me?
Barely. Kip Brinsley.
It was canceled, Your Honor.
Okay, I got you. 598-745. All right, that's Brinsley also. 617-846. State versus Justine Navarro.
Judge, that was
Stephen Strouch's attorney.
That was reset to June 3rd. Attorneys in Waco Federal.
Thank you, ma'am. 620-330. State versus Gabriel Ayala.
That was reset, Your Honor, of both attorneys. Joseph Acevedo and Freddie Ruiz are in felony courts, and they got reset for May 25th.
Thank you, ma'am. 623-081. Chase State versus Jonice Burton. And it's Tim Roundtree. Jonice Burton. Marked absent at this time. Tim Roundtree, no answer. 630-355. State versus Freddie Luna. Shannon Locke.
Mr. Luna is there, Judge.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Luna.
Good morning.
Where are you? Wave your hand or something.
Excuse me?
I don't see you. Speak up, continue to speak.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
There we are. I see you now. Thank you, sir. Your attorney, Shannon Locke, have you heard from him?
He'll be here shortly.
Okay, meantime, mark him as not answering. 630-679. State versus Angel Hernandez Avila.
Judge, that's a 1:30 plea.
1:30. Thank you, ma'am. 630-896. State versus Nia Whitby. Cornelius Cox is attorney.
Your Honor, that got reset. Pretrial diversion application to June 4th.
Thank you, ma'am. 631-002. State versus Justin Chavez Martinez.
That's a Zoom, a plea at 2 o'clock.
2 p.m. Thank you. 631-1187. State versus Ashley Flores. Karen Corby.
Yes, present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Corby.
Good morning.
Client here.
I don't see her right now, but
Ashley Flores, marking her absent at this time. Let me know if she appears, Ms. Corby.
Thank you.
633-595. State versus Noel Payne. Jessica Gonzalez.
She's trying to log on, Judge. I have her in the waiting room trying to log on for
about Noel Payne. Noel Payne is marked absent. Ms. Gonzalez is trying to get in. 640-324. State versus Kayla Wade. Karen Corby.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present, and Kayla Wade is also present, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. What do you wish to do today?
I'd like to confer, Your Honor.
You would? Say again?
Confer, please.
All right, you're number one to confer.
Thank you.
641-593, State versus Jesse Rodriguez, Robert Gaonman. Jesse Rodriguez.
I got a message from attorney Robert Gaona. He's at civil presiding, and they were going to ask for a jury trial.
Are you gonna reset the jury?
Yes, Your Honor.
Make it so. 6-4-3-3-9-5, State versus Yentana Thomas. No attorney listed. Yentana Thomas. Marked absent. 6-4-6-6-5-1, State versus Cheyenne Fox. And Randall Griner is attorney.
Yes, Judge. Ms. Fox should still be in custody, be evaluated.
All right, sir. You want about 30-day notice? I mean, a reset or 60 days?
I assume either one will be sufficient, Judge. I don't know.
Well, let's go with 30.
Mr. Griner, I think you need to check with Magistrate Carruthers' court. I'm not sure if they took her over to the Mag Court today.
Okay, well, I wasn't aware of that, but I will, Patty. Other on the
Okay.
docket, but he's a Spanish speaker.
Oh, I don't know. I don't have that.
All right, 6-4-7-8-2-4, State versus Gerardo Longoria. Angela Blake.
Hello?
Present, Judge.
Oh, yes, sir. I'm here.
I see you,
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Longoria. And
Oh,
Angela,
okay.
I'm present.
I see you. What are your wishes, ma'am?
Can I talk to the prosecutor, please?
You'll be number 2 to confer.
Thank you.
6-4-7-8-2-5. That's also Mr. Longoria. And guess what? That's also Ms. Blake. 6-5-1-2-1-9, State versus Justin Chavez Martinez.
That's a 2 o'clock plea, Judge.
It hasn't changed since a while ago.
Right.
6-5-2-5-9-2, State versus Daniel Sierra. Daniel
Morning.
Sierra,
here,
George
Judge.
Sherman.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Mr. Sierra, good morning to you, sir.
Morning, sir.
Have you heard from your attorney?
Earlier this week, sir. Not this morning.
I'm marking him no answer at this point. Stick around, sir.
I'll contact him, sir. Thank you.
6-5-3-5-7-2, State versus Deanne Stephen
Fisher, Your Honor, and he is present.
Fisher.
I already got it. I
Okay,
think
but
I'm
save
in.
it
Okay.
for whenever you need it again. Okay, make sure you have it mute.
Mr. Bain has not appeared yet. Patty.
No, I'm here.
Hello?
I'm here.
We've got all kinds of chatter here.
I'm
There,
present, Judge.
Judge,
Cecil Bain,
Yes, I'm present. My client is present.
that was the first one you called, Your Honor.
Right, I
Mr.
know.
Mr. Bain wasn't present. but he's
I was
present now.
I was having difficulty logging on, Judge.
Mr. Bain, what are your wishes?
Confer, Your Honor.
You're number 3 for conferring. Thank you. 6-5-4-1-2-0, State versus Braxton Westbrook, and that is Patricia Vieira.
Your Honor, she's at 2 other Zoom hearings this morning, and she'll log on as soon as she's done there.
What about the client, Mr. Westbrook? I'm marking him absent. 6-5-4-1-8-0, State versus John Brown. And
That's a
that's Elizabeth Settle,
2:30 plea, Judge.
2:30. Thank you, ma'am. 6-5-5-9-1-7, State versus Joe Lynch. No attorney listed.
I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Lynch.
Good morning.
Are you gonna hire an attorney or you wanna apply for one, sir?
I was wondering if there was any way I can get more time to hire an attorney. Just been going through some difficulties. I just caught up with my rent. So
How about 30 days to hire?
Yes, sir, that'd be fine. If you can give me 30 days.
Come in next time with an attorney, sir. You're excused for right now.
Your Honor,
Yes, ma'am. Patricia?
I need to get his email, if he could put it on chat.
Okay,
I will.
Mr. Lynch, don't say it or put it here right now. Put it on chat, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Once you give it to her, she'll excuse you. 656-918, State versus Joe Lynch. Joe Lynch, two more. Okay. 655-970, State versus George Bettis. No attorney.
Yes, sir. I actually hired Robert Maurer as my new attorney.
You have hired him?
Yes, sir.
Where is he? Is he going to show up?
I don't know. His assistant texted me all the information for the meeting.
He'll bring
and-
up, this is moving. If you'll bring up Mr. Marin,
Robert Maurer?
Yes, Robert Maurer, sir.
All right, hang on. We'll see what's going to happen, whether he's going to show or not.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. 658-370. State versus Jose Marin.
I'm present, Your Honor.
John Robinson is attorney.
Present, Your Honor. I'm present, Your Honor.
That's Mr. Marin that's answering.
Yes.
Mr. Marin and Mr. Robinson are answering.
All right. What are your wishes, Mr. Robinson?
Well, I'd like to confer with counsel, opposing counsel today, as well as my client in a breakout room, if that's possible.
Patricia, place him and his client in breakout. You'll be number 4 for conferring, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 658-390, State versus Natasha Chapa. And it's Michael Belichick.
I'm present, Judge, and she is also present on Zoom there. I see her name. And I would like to be number 5 for conferring with the state.
I'll make you number 5 for conferring, sir. Thank you. Where is she at?
I'm right here. She's in the courtroom, Judge.
Okay, very
Oh,
good.
okay.
Thank you. Good morning, Thelma.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I am well so far. How about you?
Okay.
Case number 658-402, State versus Victor Jesse Arredondo, Edward Brabenwick.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Mr. Arredondo is present. Where's your attorney?
Yes, sir. He's here in the
Pardon
courtroom.
me?
Welcome.
Who's in the courtroom?
Mr. Redondo.
Okay. What about the attorney, Mr. Brabenwick? I'm
No.
marking him no answer at this time. Case number 658-418, State versus Frank Barber. And it's Patrick Hancock.
That got reset, Your Honor. Felony pending indictment, August 4th.
All right. 658-433, State versus Felipe Esparza Martinez.
Judge, I don't know.
Esparza Martinez appears to be absent. So
Judge,
noted.
I got a message from Attorney Scott McCrum. He's at 2 felony courts and we'll zoom in as soon as done there.
All right. Then we'll wait for him. Maybe his client will show up. 658-445, State versus Edward Perkins. No attorney.
Yes, sir.
He's here in the courtroom, sir.
Okay, very good. Mr. Perkins, are you going to hire an attorney or what are you going to do?
Yes, sir. I am. I'm seeking one at the moment.
All right. I'll reset this for 30 days for you to come in with an attorney.
Yes, sir.
Thelma, can you get his email address, please, for me?
Yeah, I will. I'll get it for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
658-461, State versus Joseph Hodge. And it's Alfonso Otero is the attorney.
Yes, Your Honor, that got transferred to County Court 14.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. 658-466, State versus Samantha Molina. No attorney. Samantha Molina. Samantha Molina is marked absent. 658-474, State versus Julianne Sanchez. Anita Garza is attorney of record.
Perfect. All lowercase.
Anita Sanchez.
It's
Pardon me,
Julie
Anita
Ann.
Garza and Julianne Sanchez. Both are absent at this time.
Okay.
658-475, State versus Andrew Ibarra with an I, and that's Suzanne Kramer.
Your Honor, that's an inmate and he wasn't ordered. Suzanne Kramer has a personal conflict this morning. So she asked if we could just reset it, felonies pending
All
indictment.
right, reset it is. 658-483, State versus Daniel Perez.
He should
That's Randall
be in the
Griner again, Mr.
courtroom,
Griner.
Judge. Yes, Judge, he should be present in the courtroom.
Daniel Griner, pardon me, Daniel Perez. Thelma, is Daniel Perez in the courtroom? Ms. Castillo?
I'm sorry you couldn't hear me. There you go. Yes, he is.
Okay,
Judge, he is a Spanish speaker. I spoke to him through my broken Spanish and his broken English. He may benefit from a different attorney.
say what? What's the last part?
He may benefit from having a Spanish speaking attorney.
Okay, then we will substitute.
May I be
Spanish speaker.
excused?
Yes, you are.
Thank you, Judge.
Senor Pérez. Daniel Pérez,
Sí,
is he there?
sí, aquí estoy.
Señor Pérez, le vamos a dar otro abogado. Le voy a apuntar otro que le ayude, pero que se pueda comunicar mejor con usted en español, ¿eh?
Ok, gracias.
Va a recibir la noticia.
Judge, I'll
Vamos a-
talk to him. I'll talk to him after you finish with the docket.
Ok, la señora García va a hablar con ustedes al rato, ¿eh? Espérese un rato.
Ok, está bien. Gracias.
658, de nada. 658-492, State versus Jerry Hernandez, no attorney. Jerry Hernandez. Marked absent. 658-513, State versus Chad Marroquin. Chad Marroquin.
Your Honor, he
Oh,
has
so-
a 226 case pending today, also May 4th.
Okay, I saw his name up here a while ago. We'll have to visit with him when he decides to come back. All right, one more. 658-528, State versus Laura
I had
Valadez.
my thing muted.
Pardon me?
Sorry, I thought my mic was unmuted. It was on mute. I'm Chad Marroquin.
Yes, okay, I saw your name on there. Mark you present. Mr. Marroquin, do you have a lawyer?
Yes, sir. I have Tim Roundtree. He said that he was in another case meeting right now, that he would be here in a few minutes. He would log in.
All right, we'll just hang loose. We'll see when he shows up.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Mhm.
Laura Valadez.
Present.
Ms. Valadez?
Yes,
how are
I'm
you?
here.
There you are. Good morning to you,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Your attorney is, okay, maybe you can say it, Monica Tirala. Something like that. Have
Yes,
you talked to your attorney, ma'am?
I heard from her assistant yesterday. She's supposed to be on today.
Say again that last part.
I did hear from her assistant yesterday, and she's supposed to be on today.
I understand when you say supposed to, I agree with that. I'm gonna mark her no answer for right now. We'll wait for her to show up. That's the docket for this morning. Did anybody show up after I called the docket, or you didn't
Judge.
hear your name called?
Judge, it's Robert Mauer. I'm sorry, I was on a Zoom in Comal County. I have a George Perez on your docket, 655-970. You should be present. I just need to see if I get 30 days so I can review discovery with my client and decide how we're going to handle the case.
It's on page
Okay,
3.
655-970, your client is present, George Pettis.
Yes, sir.
What are you gonna do, Robert?
Judge, if I can get 30 days so I can get all the discovery and we can go over it and make a decision how we're
30
going to.
days,
Yes, sir.
reset 30 days.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
Quite welcome.
Take
Take care
care.
and be safe.
You too, sir.
Mr.
Good night.
Pettis, you'll
Yes,
get
sir.
notice from the court and from your attorney of the new date to come back, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Judge.
You're excused, sir.
Yes,
Your
sir.
Honor, Shannon Locke for Freddie Luna.
Shannon Locke,
Yes, sir.
what's the case number on that?
630-355.
630-355. He is present.
Yes, sir. And if I could confer,
Confer your number either 4 or 5.
Number 6.
and Your Honor, Mr. Javier
Number 6.
Garcia and I are handling this together. If we could, if you see him on the Zoom and put him in the breakout room also, I'd appreciate it.
Who's that?
Javier Garcia, he's an attorney in my office.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll put him in there when we get you in.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
And you're number 6. Shouldn't take long.
Judge,
Anybody else that did not
Yes.
hear their name or just showed up? I see Ms. Gonzalez.
Yes, Your Honor. Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
I'm sorry I'm late. My computer would not connect to the meeting.
It's not like you to be late, so I'm not
No,
overly concerned.
sorry.
What is the case number?
It's going to be Noel Payne. He's on the top of page 2, the second case, 633-595.
633-595. There it is.
Judge, he's here in the courtroom. He's been in the courtroom.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, then I will unmark him absent and show him present.
Thank you, Your Honor. And if I can
Ms.
just,
Gonzalez, what do you want to do?
I would just like to be placed in line as number 7 to confer.
You are number 7, ma'am.
Thank you.
Anybody else?
Yes,
Morning,
Judge. Judge, I have a Thomas here also in the courtroom.
Who's that?
She's 643-395.
643-395.
Right underneath the.
Yentana Thomas. And Ms. Thomas, do you have an attorney?
I would like a court appointed.
Pardon me?
I would like a court appointed.
All right, you'll have to apply.
Your Honor, since she's in the courtroom, I can ask Linda to send her the paperwork, to take her the paperwork to fill out the
All
questionnaire.
right. Very good. Ms. Deputy Castillo,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'll ask you to assist Ms. Garcia in getting this lady, Ms. Thomas, to fill out the application.
Yes, sir, I will.
All right, we'll reset this for 30 days, but meantime, before she leaves, I need her to file that application. Who else has shown up that did not answer earlier?
Good morning, Judge. Robert Gaona for Jesse Rodriguez. I believe he's there.
Case number, please.
That would be 641-593.
641-593. All right, Mr. Gaona, good to see you. Everything okay with you?
Everything's well, Judge. I appreciate that. Hope you're doing well as
I am, thank God.
Good.
We have you reset, but this thing is being set for a jury. Did you want to do something else today?
I do, Judge. I'd still maintain that reset, but I would like to confer to get an offer as well.
All right, I'm going to give you number 8.
You don't go
Confirm.
And Judge, with that, can I get Mr. Rodriguez released for this morning?
Yes, sir, you may. Mr. Rodriguez, we're excusing you. Your attorney's going to be conferring, but your case is set for trial. Jesse Rodriguez, you're excused. Anybody else showed up that had not answered before?
Judge, I also, this is Castillo. I also have a Jerry Hernandez here in the courtroom. He does not have a phone.
Jerry Hernandez, case
Uh-huh.
number.
Case number is 658-492.
658-492.
Yes, sir. It's on page number 4 on the bottom.
Right.
Go get something to drink.
All righty.
Gatorade.
Mr. Hernandez, do you have an attorney?
No, sir, but I would like a court appointment.
All right, Ms. Garcia will assist you shortly. You're gonna have to apply.
Okay.
Judge, since
Meantime,
he's in
we're
the
gonna
courtroom.
reset you. After you've made your application, we're gonna reset you for 30 days.
Patty, I'll go ahead and take care of that for both of them, for you.
Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mhm.
All right. Who else has shown up or did not answer at 9 o'clock when I called the docket? Anybody else?
Good morning, Judge Patricia Vieta. I have Braxton Westbrook on docket this morning.
What's the case number, please?
654-120.
654.
120.
There it is. Braxton Westbrook did not answer at this point.
I believe he's still in custody, Judge. He picked up a new offense, second-degree robbery.
Oh, all right. An entrepreneur, huh? All right, then I'll show him in custody. And Ms. Viera, what do you want to do today?
I don't want to do anything with his case today, Judge. He has a different attorney for that second degree.
Uh-huh.
And I don't want to step on any toes with anything she might have planned. According to the court records, it's Ninfa Carrillo.
Okay.
And so if I could just get a reset, or I don't know if you want to reassign it to her, so that way the cases are with one attorney as opposed to multiples.
I'll give that some thought. In the meantime, I'll reset it for 60 days since there's a
Okay.
felony pending. Patricia, make a note and we'll look into whether Ms. Carrillo's on the wheel for one.
He's not on the misdemeanor wheel anymore.
All right, so that means that Ms. Viera, you are the chosen one today.
Not a problem, Judge. I still have his other felony, his original felony, which is how I got his misdemeanor, because I'm not on the wheel either for misdemeanors.
All right, very good. All right,
But that's
thank you,
okay,
ma'am.
Judge. We'll get it reset for 60 days, and I'll talk to Ms. Carrillo and figure out what she's planning on doing with her case.
Very good.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Judge.
Anybody else?
Judge Karen Corby, I believe Ashley Flores is here now.
Say again?
Karen Corby, I believe Ashley Flores has shown up. She was having trouble getting on the Zoom.
All right, what's the case number?
631-187.
631-187. All right, top of the second page. I'm sure you're late, but here. And Karen Corby, are you still with us?
Yes.
What do you want to do on Ms. Ashley Flores?
Yes. Yes, Judge. I'm sorry to interrupt. I would like to, I think I'm number one to confer. So I'd like to confer.
Richard McCluskey, y'all keep it down while I talk to the judge, please.
All right. We'll confer on this one too. Anybody else?
Yes, Your Honor. Anita Perez Garza.
Beg pardon?
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Sanchez.
Ms. Garza?
Yes, Your Honor. Can you hear me?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, so I've got Juliana Sanchez, but she's got 2 pending felonies.
Which case number?
Let's see. What's
658-474.
Thanks, Patty.
You're welcome.
658-474. Here we are.
Yeah.
All right, Ms. Garza, you did not answer at 9. What can I do for you?
So I'm gonna go ahead and email the felony prosecutor because she's in custody. And so I'm gonna see if I can get him an offer on the felony. So if I can just get it reset. She's in custody.
Reset felony pending.
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll make it 30 days for right now.
All right, and in the meantime, I'll get an offer. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, man.
All right, have a good.
Anybody else?
Your Honor, this is Tim Roundtree. I was in another hearing. I apologize, but I'm here.
No need to apologize for you somewhere else. What do you got, Tim? You got,
Judge, I've got Marroquin.
You got Burton. Jonice Burton. Did not
Okay.
appear.
Judge, I apologize. I didn't see it on the docket. That's a trial case. We wanted a trial for more than a year and we still want one.
All right, then we'll reset it for trial. Contact her. I'll give you a week to put her up. Otherwise, there'll be a warrant.
I'll do it, Judge. I also have Mr. Chad Marroquin, and I filed my notice yesterday.
And what is the case number on Mr. Marroquin?
Okay.
658-513.
658-513. The very bottom. All right, Mr. Roundtree, what are your wishes on Mr. Marroquin? And he is present.
Yes, I'd like to confer, Judge.
All right. You're somewhere around number 10, I think.
9.
Wonderful.
Number 9.
Somebody else in that, but that's all right. Who else? Anybody else?
Yes, Your Honor. Scott McCrum, can I approach, please, Your Honor?
Yes, you may. Scott, what's your case?
I have Felipe Esparza, case number. Thought I'd have it faster than that, sorry.
It's 658-433. Second one on page 4.
Ma'am, we have him absent at this time.
He's present, Judge. He's in fact in another room in my office. I had given him the wrong link, so he was on the 437th waiting since 9.
Well, you see how you are, Scott?
Yeah, I'm making a mess of things this morning.
What do you want to do today, Scott? You're going to confer, you said?
I would like to, Judge, I haven't had an opportunity to really review the discovery. This is our first setting. If you could give me 30 days to familiarize myself with all the facts of the case before I start conferring.
Right. You're in line. You're either 9 or 10.
10.
Number 10. Well, now, okay. Got your number 10.
10 for what, Judge?
To confer. We have people lined up to confer.
Well, no, that's what I was saying. I was asking if you could give me a 30-day reset.
All right. Well, we'll do that once. Let's see which. There we are. 30-day reset.
Thank you, Judge.
Very good. Anybody else?
Eddie Bravanek here, Your Honor. I have
Eddie
Victor
Bravanek.
Redondo. Hey, how are you, Your Honor?
Are you the late Eddie Bravanek?
Well, I'm late in one sense, but thankfully for me, not late in the other yet.
All right. Eddie, what's
Judge, I
your
have
case
Victor.
number?
It's 658-402.
658 what?
402, Your Honor.
Victor Arredondo.
There it is. All right. Eddie is present. What do you want to do, Eddie?
Judge, he has a felony that's pending. I would ask for a reset for felony pending.
We'll give you a 60-day reset. Felony pending. You and your client are excused, sir.
Thanks, Judge. Good to see you as always.
Take care. All right. Who else?
My turn? Yeah.
Your Honor, Richard Langlois was present.
I see him.
I'm here, Judge. I'm just waiting for my client to get on Zoom.
Which case is that?
She has 5 cases.
Page
Pardon me?
4. Page 4, Judge, 658-466.
658. 468,
466.
pardon me. All right, you're retained on that, Richard. Apparently, is your client here? I didn't see her before.
I'm waiting for her to get on, Judge. She's trying to download the app, I guess. And that's why I haven't said anything. I was waiting to get on.
Are you sure she's having trouble with
All in your
computer?
court.
You know, computers never give any problems, right?
I'm now on here, sir.
I'm sorry?
I'm on. I believe that there y'all were waiting for me.
It says on here, Junie's iPhone. Who is this?
Samantha Molina.
What is your name?
Samantha Molina.
Oh, okay. Mr. Langlois?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your client is on board, but she's using a phone that doesn't have her name on it.
I just
You might
renamed
wanna-
it, Judge.
You wanna go into a breakout with her?
If you can manage that, I'd be more than happy to. I may
All
need
right,
more time.
Patricia?
There she is. That's, yeah.
Ms. Garcia, place,
Like I
place
said, yeah,
Mr. Langlois, we're gonna place you and Ms. Garcia, pardon me, Ms. Molina. Ms. Garcia will put you on the breakout real quick to just get y'all together.
all right. Okay.
Who else?
Good
All
morning,
right.
Judge. May I?
Everybody's present and accounted for. Thank you.
Your Honor, Monica Corrala here for Miss Laura Valadez. I apologize. I was in an expunction hearing a moment ago and was just released from Atascosa District.
What is your case number?
Our case number is
I'm sorry?
658-528. It's the last one on page 5.
yes, sir.
658.
528.
8. All right. I'm marking you present now, Ms. Corrala.
Thank you.
And your client is present. What
Yes.
are your wishes, ma'am?
Your Honor, if we could have another case setting, I need to confer with the district attorney's office and receive and review all the discovery associated with this.
We'll give you a 30-day reset.
Okay.
All right. Okay, then court's in recess.
Your Honor,
Ma'am,
is Monica and her client excused?
say again.
Is Attorney Monica Corrala and her client Laura Valadez excused?
Yes, I'm sorry. Ms. Corrala and your client, you all are both excused.
Let me in here.
You need to put, oh, you know what, like that.
Your Honor, can I stop you?